Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of Vada Pav. If you like this recipe, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
So we'll first grind the ginger, garlic and the green chilies together. So take 1 tablespoon ginger and 1 tablespoon garlic and 3 to 4 green chilies or as per taste. And without adding any water, make a coarse paste like this. Now in a kadhai add 3 tablespoon oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add half teaspoon mustard or raai, 1/4 teaspoon hing or asafoetida. Now I'm adding the ginger garlic and the green chili paste, followed by some curry leaves. Saute this for a few seconds. So now I'm going to add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Because we did not add any water to the ginger garlic paste, we added it before the onions. But if you add water, if at all you do, first saute the onion and then add the ginger garlic paste. Now I just added 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and sauteed it. And here I have 5 medium-sized boiled potatoes. I mashed these using my hand. I've just broke these into small pieces. Now add half teaspoon garam masala and some salt as per taste. After mixing the masala, add 1/4 cup mint leaves or pudina leaves. Just break the leaves using your fingers. These pudina leaves or mint leaves give this masala a wonderful taste. So this masala is ready, keep it aside. Now to make the dry chutney, here I first roasted 1/4 cup coconut. This is dried and grated coconut. Then I realized, okay, no, I need 1 cup. I forgot actually. So remember, you need to roast total 1 cup of coconut. Now roast 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Now add the peanuts to the mixer grinder jar and 3 tablespoons garlic. After churning this, add 3 tablespoons red chili powder and then add dried coconut, the roasted coconut which we had kept aside, and then add some salt. Like I told you, I forgot to add the entire coconut and then I roasted some coconut again. So to the chutney you need to add a total of 1 cup of roasted dried coconut. And then this is what the chutney will look like. At this stage you can taste it, and if you want you can add a little more salt and give the mixer grinder a pulse. So our chutney is now ready. Now to make the batter for the aloo vada, here I have 1 cup besan and I'm adding 2 tablespoon rice flour. This is optional. You can simply use just besan. Now add some salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric or haldi. Mix this well. And now by adding a little water at a time, you need to make a batter. I'll show you what should be the consistency. And yeah, make sure there are no lumps in the batter. You can use your fingers, your hand to make this batter too. So this is the consistency. It's not very thin, but it's not very thick. If it's thin, it will not stick to the vada, and if it's too thick, the cover will turn out very thick. Now with our masala which we had kept aside, I made some patties. I flattened these out because this is how the Mumbai Vada Pav walas do. Now take some green chilies and make slits like this, because if you add the chilies directly to the oil, these might burst. And in medium hot oil, fry these. Again, if you see that these are bursting or popping, use a lid to protect yourself from the oil. After frying these chilies, I'm going to add some salt and 1 teaspoon water to keep the chilies moist. You can skip this if you want to, but I personally like doing that. Now our batter is ready, which we had kept aside. To this I'm adding a pinch of soda, just a pinch, chutki bhar soda, and dip the vada in it like this. Make sure the patty is coated well, the vada patty, whatever you call it. And on medium flame you need to fry these, because if the flame is too high, the besan would be raw from inside, and if it's too low, it might absorb a lot of oil. So medium flame is what you should fry these at. Now after frying the vadas, I'm just making some crisp pakoras. So I'm just randomly dropping this batter into the hot oil. and take out this crispy pakoda. Now everything is ready. I'm going to serve the vada pav. Take a pav and make a cut in it like this. Spread some chutney. Some people like to have the wet green pudina chutney and imli chutney also. So if you want, you can also serve those chutneys with this vada pav. But I like to serve this vada pav with spicy red chutney and fried green chillies and the crisp bhajiyas or pakoda. Try this recipe at home. I'm sure you would love it. Enjoy!